Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm doing great. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would like to welcome you. And if you are a return viewer, thank you for coming back again. I'm in the kitchen and I am going to do a taste test. I was out in the garden doing some harvesting, and if you all have been following me, you know that I have been watching some watermelons, and I think one was ready. I think this one was ready, and I picked him. And my sister, she actually picked it and she tossed it. She gave it to me, and then, I mean, it's like heavy. Well, I weighed it. It's 32 pounds. I think 32 and a half, something like that. So I'm gonna cut it open and let you all see what it looks inside. So I'll be right back. This is a Jubilee, so it's gonna be red. So I'm gonna cut it open. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my knife here and I'm gonna cut it up. Ugh, this thing, I have waited and waited and waited for this. Oh my goodness, you all. It's just splitting open. It's too big for the tray. This is a lot different from the other one. The other Jubilee that was not ready. This one is ready. Yes, it is. This one is totally ready. Whoo-wee. Let me try this piece. This is excellent. Oh, I wish you all could taste this. I wish so bad y'all could taste this. It's warm. I gotta cut it open. I mean, I gotta cut it up and get it in the refrigerator. Oh, I was so ready for this to be ready. It is so pretty and red, you all. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna cut this open and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just cut up this part, and I have 3 more parts left to cut up. I already did this, but my mark wasn't on. So this is the Jubilee. It is nice and sweet. This is so good. This is really, really good. So, because this is the first watermelon, well, the other one that I harvested and it wasn't quite ripe. It was, we ate that up anyway, just because it wasn't all that ripe, but the inside of it was still good. So we ate it up anyway. But this is the first good one for 2024. And it is good. I wish you all could try it. It's really good. We may give our neighbors some because I don't know if we'll be able to fit all this in the refrigerator. But this is so good and it's so sweet. It's Jubilee. And we have Crimson Sweet. We'll have a yellow meat watermelon out there as well. And they're getting ready to be ripe, but not quite yet. But this one is perfect. So I'm going to go and finish cutting this up. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And then hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And so you all stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.